each and every one of you, whether you're in crypto now or you're learning about it, looking to be introduced through this opportunity called NovaTech, here's what I will tell you, and don't take my word for it. Do all the research that you need to. Cryptocurrency is and will be for the next 5 years the greatest wealth transfer to happen to mankind, from the bartering system all the way now to digital currency. So if you don't lay your foundation now, if you don't have a good start now, you're going to be left behind. Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to hear about trading profits made easy, a very, very rare opportunity where you're mixing the fully automated technology of cryptocurrency, okay, and trading combined, where we are able to earn, more importantly, our money is able to earn, our cryptocurrency is able to earn while we continue life the way we've always been living it. You see that couple right there to the right, ladies and gentlemen? They're happy. You see, more importantly, that child right there, setting up their future is exactly what life is all about. We want to set up our children's children. And the only way to do that is to leave an inheritance. How do we leave inheritances? Well, cryptocurrency could be one of those ways, and NovaTech may just lead you down that path. Before I begin, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to do is I want to share with you something that is completely separate from the NovaTech platform. It is a calculator, and it's called a compounding calculator. All right. It is a third-party tool that we here at Team Diamond choose to use to lay a foundation and share with you what the possibilities are, not just in NovaTech, but any platform out there, okay, that has the potential to pay profits on whatever platform they happen to be on, all right? But for this example, we're going to talk about NovaTech. For your information, the compounding calculator is not a part of NovaTech or endorsed by the company. Past performances is not indicative of future results and should not be construed in any way as a guaranteed ROI. The earnings shown here are examples of potential profits and should be used for your educational and forecasting purposes only. Let's share with you a very, very quick example of what this compounding calculator can do in your life and in the life of those that you will share this with. Now, if you want to look up this calculator for yourself, it's real simple. You can go to thecalculatorsite.com. You can do it on your phone or a computer. And what you're going to do is hit on finance, and then you're going to go to Forex compounding calculator, and this calculator is going to pop up. So for the example purposes tonight, we're going to go ahead and use a $1,000 starting deposit into your trade account. And I want you to listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth very importantly, because again, this is going to get you to understand what this platform is and what it is not. All right. So we're going to use an example of $1,000 that you're depositing into your own trade account. Now, we're going to use a very simple basic number of 3%. Now, I'm not here to tell you that NovaTech is going to guarantee you 3%. There is no such thing in the world of guaranteeing you anything in the world of finance, cryptocurrency, or anything else. However, we choose here at Team Diamond to use the examples of past performances. And what we have found is that the average rate of return on our trading performances has been 3% per week. All right. Now, has it been more? Absolutely. Has it been yes? Absolutely. But we're using 3% as an example. Now, if you heard me, I said weekly. All right. We have the potential to earn profits on a weekly basis. So everything that we show you is by the week. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put a 5-year outlook. Why? I want to show you the short term and the long term potential. And I know some of you may be saying 5 years is not long term. Well, for a lot of people that don't understand how money works, 5 years may seem like an eternity. So for those that don't really truly understand, I'm here not to just share with you an overview, but to educate you also on what I call the effect of redepositing your profits every single week so that it can literally triculate over time to become something really, really massive. Now, I'm going to change the redepositing effect to weekly because we have the opportunity every single week to either withdraw our profits if we have any, or redeposit our profits. In this example, I'm showing you if you redeposit your profits. Now that $1,000, as you see right here on the screen, it says that the future investment value or total earnings will be somewhere around $2.1 million. I'm going to pause for a second because for those of you that are seeing this for the first time, it may take you a second to really grasp what I just said. A $1,000 deposit into your trade account, allowing NovaTech to manage your cryptocurrency trading, has the possibility of earning over $2 million of profits over the next 5 years without you having to redeposit any additional cryptocurrency out of your pocket. All right. Now, I know, again, some of you might be breathing a little hard right now. Like, how is that possible? That can't be true. Well, let me break down for you what I consider the progressive realization of earning on a simple little by little basis and redepositing your earnings every single week. Now, if we take that $1,000 balance, take a look at it right here. If we were earning on an average, all right, and again, there is no guarantee, we're only using this as an example, of 3% weekly, that would be roughly 12% a month, right? Well, 12% a month on $1,000 would be $136.65. Now, we all know that's not going to change anyone's life. However, to earn $136 on $1,000 in a month, I think, matter of fact, let me see some of you raise your hands in the chat if you understand that you're not going to get this type of return at your traditional bank. Raise your hand for me if you understand that at least, right? Now that $136, here's the beauty of it. If you redeposit it every single month, it's not going to be 136 anymore, because now what's happening is your balance is growing. So as the months go on, not only are your earnings growing, but your profits are growing, and your overall balance in your account is now $4,650 potentially if you were to average at least 12% a month over the next 12 months. Again, amazing numbers, right? Well, let's take it a step further. Let's say you went 24 months. In 24 months, you would have $21,000 potentially in your trading account, earning you potentially $2,600 a month. Now, I know some of you are saying, listen, I don't got to wait 5 years. If you're telling me that there's a chance, there's a possibility that I can earn $2,600 of crypto every single month on $21,000, I don't need to go no further. Now, there's some of you that are also thinking in your mind, well, Dap, that was the $1,000 example. What if I wanted to earn $2,600 or have the potential to earn that in profits monthly starting the month of February? Well, guess what? Yeah, you guessed it right. Just go ahead and deposit $21,000 into your trade account instead of $1,000, and you will have the potential to start off with $2,600 a month. You wouldn't have to wait 24 months to do it. All right, you're going to understand what we mean by that as we go further along in this presentation. Let's go 36 months down that line. Look at this. Now we're talking really potential, life-changing profits, right? Again, no guarantees, but this is the examples that we're showing you based off of what we have seen and what have been facts when it comes to NovaTech. All right, $100,000 in your trading account off of a $1,000 one-time deposit, potentially earning you $12,000 every single month. Again, really awesome stuff, right? No guarantees. I think you get what I'm talking about. I think you get where I'm going with this. Four years from now, $56,000, 467,000. Now, let me bring this more into perspective. And I hate to sit on this topic more than I need to, but I want you that are brand new to this to understand. For a lot of you, this is completely unfathomable. There are many people, all right, many people in our current team that can afford to deposit $500,000 in their trade account. All right. And earning $50,000 a month in profits is not something new for someone that has that kind of money. Remember, everybody has their own lane. All right. You just have to understand your lane and build over time to get to that point where you can start seeing some of the finer things in life, we like to call it, when it comes to having more money. Right. Let's do another example real quick. Let's say you kept that same $1,000, right? And let's say you contributed an additional $500 every single month into your trading account. So you said, you know what? I'm willing to put $500 extra every single month from whatever it is that I do into my trade account. If you're telling me I have the possibility to earn the way I can with NovaTech. Watch what happens when I calculate. Remember that $2 million that was a projection of what could be in the possibilities of everything? Well, guess what? You just had the potential now of 5xing that number to $10 million just because you deposited more funds into your trade account. Let's show you the breakdown. Remember what I told you, right? Let's treat this almost like going to the gym. You don't see results right away, right? You start feeling it right away because your body starts getting sore, right? Well, guess what? The same thing with your trading account. You have to start depositing, doing the activity every single month. And what ends up happening, guys, is it starts to grow. Remember that 2,600 that would take you 2 years because you decided to redeposit 500 additional funds into your account every month? Now you have the potential to earn at least 2,100 in the first year per month. In 2 years, you could literally have the possibilities of earning, all right, $11,000+ in profit every single month with almost $100,000 in your trading account. 3 years from now, guys, we're talking literally under $500,000 earning you over $50,000 a month. I think most of you get where I'm going with this, right? I'm going to show you one last example. I'm going to show you a $500 balance so you understand that numbers are numbers. They don't lie, only people do. So let's put $500 in here and let's hit calculate. Remember that 2 million that I showed you on a $1,000 deposit? It's half now. That's all that happens, guys. I don't need to go through it. No, everybody here at least understands how to add, right? And subtract. It's real simple, and how to multiply and divide. If you do 500 instead of 1,000, what you can potentially have over 5 years would be half the amount. All right. Now, we don't recommend here at Team Diamond that you deposit anything under 250. To be quite honest with you, I'm going to be straight up and tell you, don't deposit anything under 250. Now, the company says you can put as little as $99 in, but I'll show you over the presentation why, if you do it and you don't add more funds within the 30 days, it's not going to be profitable for you. All right. Let's call it what it is. All right. Don't expect to earn anything if you don't put skin in the game. All right. Let's keep it real. We're adults here. We're not children, and we want things to be real. All right. $250, hit calculate, boom. That $1 million goes down to 544,000. Still amazing numbers. Really, really awesome. Right, guys? Give me a 777 in the chat if you can type. Just say, yeah, this is really awesome. You know what? Let's move on to the next part of the presentation, which is really talking about the company and what makes this company real, all right? And allow them now almost over 3 years to have 60,000 plus active accounts being able to earn the profits that they're earning, all right? Who's NovaTech? NovaTech is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC, and it boasts some of the industry's top leading products and services. So NovaTech has several different businesses within their actual business, all right? The first one is the Bitcoin ATM business. Now, the Bitcoin ATM business is real simple. If you ever been into your local 7-Eleven, Chevron, Bodega, corner store, you may have seen an ATM in there that said Bitcoin ATM. Well, that is literally a machine that allows you to buy Bitcoin right there on the spot. Well, the owners of NovaTech are owners and one of the largest providers of Bitcoin ATM machines in the entire state of Florida. Not only do they have Bitcoin ATMs that generate revenue, they also are in the crypto debit card transaction business. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can literally go onto NovaTech's platform and buy Bitcoin. The same way you would buy Bitcoin on an exchange or a broker, you can buy Bitcoin right here for a fee, of course, right? Because they're not an exchange. So you're going to pay a slightly higher fee. But for those that need the convenience for whatever reason, that is available through NovaTech. And then also NovaTech, which what we're known for, is the crypto and Forex trading. All right. Now, who is NovaTech? Well, NovaTech is led by our CEO, Miss Cynthia, let me say it right, Miss Reverend Cynthia Petion, and her amazing, amazing husband, CFO Eddie Petion. If you notice right here, they have an executive staff of over 40 years of combined experience in the blockchain technologies, in leadership and team building, professional networking, in the crypto space, software and project management space. Now, we're talking about combined experience amongst many different businesses that they've built on their own, as well as businesses where they have made people rich, okay? They have now formulated their own hedge fund called NovaTech for now almost going on 3 years that, yes, is real profits, real results, real company. Matter of fact, let's hear for the next 2 minutes from Cynthia, welcoming you some that are here for the first time.
Hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia Petion. I am the CEO and one of the founders here at NovaTech. And I'd like to first say thank you for taking a moment of your time to learn more about our business plans. And a very special thank you to whoever introduced you to this opportunity, as well as to our leaders around the world who are taking time out of their day every day to share this opportunity with communities like mine and yours so that we can spread the good vision of NovaTech. Now, I'd like to ask you one simple question before we get started. Have you ever heard this before? I will never do another online business ever again. Well, if you have, you're not alone. We've heard it many times ourselves, and we understand how you feel. And perhaps maybe you were the one who said it yourself. Well, we hope we can change that. And we'd like to offer you maybe a little glimmer of hope or a better opportunity that you couldn't find before. And it's the reason why my partners and I got together back in June of 2019 to build NovaTech. We are a registered broker with MetaTrader offering a Forex and cryptocurrency trading platform. Currently, we offer a couple of different styles of accounts, including a PAM account, which is our pool asset management account. And this allows passive investors or those who don't necessarily know how to trade the ability to invest in one of our master accounts and allow NovaTech to trade on your behalf. Now, we also have our Mt5 accounts, and this is for people who want to be able to trade on their own. And you can trade whether you are a skilled trader or a novice trader, or open up a demo account just to test it out first. But you can go ahead and trade on our platform with very low commissions and spreads and be able to earn income on your own without any intervention from us. And recently, we offered a very exciting program, which is to help you get paid as you trade. And this program was introduced as a pilot program for people who want to trade professionally with a reputable and reliable trading platform. And it offers you a 30-day testing period with NovaTech, where you can actually test your own trading skills and possibly get paid to trade. Finally, we have something that we can call our own, something that we're extremely proud of. We've built a program and a strong foundation that is not only sustainable, but profitable. So guys, this ends my time here with you. I hope to be able to see more of you. And if you have any questions, please reach out at any time. We have our help desk support available at contact@novatechfx.io, and hope to see you soon.
All right, guys, you heard it first from our amazing CEO, Cynthia Petion, who I've had the pleasure of not just meeting, but speaking to on a regular basis. And I'm here to tell you guys, again, this is the real deal. Everything, all T's, all right, all T's crossed, all I's dotted, and all J's dotted. And for those of you that are already a part of our platform, you had to amazing experience of seeing her, 2 Thursdays ago, where we had an amazing call to really share with us the vision of NovaTech, and more importantly, how to market NovaTech out there. And you better believe it, there's a lot of haters out there, a lot of duplicators and imitators, but no one does it like NovaTech, and nobody doing it. Established since June of 2019, legally registered company, registered crypto hedge fund here in the United States. To be more specific, right here in South Florida. All right. Now, some of you may ask, well, are they registered with the SEC? This is kind of what I call an ignorant question. And when I say ignorant, I don't mean dumb. I mean uneducated on understanding crypto. No cryptocurrency is registered with the SEC, because at this moment in time, and I think it still will be for some time to come, cryptocurrency is deregulated. The crypto that is funneled into NovaTech through our trading accounts is all documented for. This is why we use third-party payment processors to make sure that our money goes through a legitimate place that can verify it, in case they need to verify with government agencies what they're doing. With that being said, there is nothing else to really look at when it comes to what we do. They would not be as successful as they are for as long as they have operating in the US, okay, if they had any issues. With that being said, for all you analyticals and engineers out there, not every opportunity is for everybody, all right? NovaTech's goal is to provide customers with affordable financial solutions, trade cryptocurrencies and Forex online using some of the most sophisticated and latest technologies. Now, here's another, I guess, check mark to let you know that NovaTech is real. They're a registered MetaTrader 5 broker. For anybody that understands the Forex market, all right, which one is heavily regulated inside the US and outside of the US, you can literally open your own demo account to start practicing trading cryptocurrency or Forex if you happen to be outside of the US. All right. You can also open your own live account for free. They don't charge you for anything here. Why? You don't charge to open your own trading account. All right. You get charged during spreads and things like that when you start trading, just like any buying stocks or anything like that. All right. And again, not all of you understand these terminologies. I'm just trying to hammer some points for you analyticals out there. All right. You can literally trade cryptocurrency and Forex on NovaTech's platform. If they were not legal, you would not be able to do that. Let me take it a step further. No company in the US right now is doing registered what NovaTech is doing. And those are facts. Anybody that can tell me different, type it in the chat, and I can promise you you're absolutely incorrect. Let's keep it moving. NovaTech's trading platform. What are PAM accounts? This right here, guys, is why most of you are sitting here right now. All right. You're here because of something called percentage allocation management module. PAM account is a form of pooled funds inside of a cryptocurrency or Forex trading account. So what's happening is, as we open our trade accounts and we deposit into our trade accounts, our funds are pooled together, okay? Inside of this managed trade account, it's being traded by qualified, successful traders, all right? This is not automated bots doing all the work. There is no such thing as bots taking over everything with no man controlling it, okay? We're not in the iRobot metaverse universe just yet, okay? You still need man to control and to operate to make sure things go right. Why? Because automation doesn't control when the president says something or Elon Musk says something crazy and all of a sudden the market changes directions. That has to be programmed by a person, Okay, so any of you out there that are dealing only with automation and with companies where you have no idea who the CEO is or what they're really investing or trading in because it's all automated, all I'm going to tell you is this: be careful. All right, don't shoot the messenger. However, you can invest in this platform with no knowledge or experience of trading. Most importantly, at the end of a specific trading period, which happens to be every Friday, we call it Friday here at Team Diamond, right? All of the profits that are earned in the PAM account are equally distributed amongst all investors. So no, we don't have different profits for different caliber of people that deposit in their accounts. That's illegal, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot entice someone to put in more money because you said, oh, we'll pay you more. No. They don't pay us. All right. We're not employees. There's no interest earned here. We're not a bank. Okay. This is profits and we all earn the same thing. It's just that everybody's trading account is different. My trading account may have a couple of 100,000 in it. Your trading account may only have a couple of thousand. If we both earn 1.84% for the week, I earned 1.84% on a couple of 100,000. You earned it on a couple of thousand. We earned the same percentage, just different profits, right? I hope that makes sense. Again, I'm trying to keep it as elementary as possible. Novatex live trading program highlights, again, for those of you that are investors out there that love to trade on your own, here is kind of showing you that you don't need to have experience. You can definitely learn on their platform if that's what you want to do. You can open a free demo account and it's available on your phone, Apple, Android, or on a computer. Now, tracking your progress. Remember, we like to talk about past performance. Why? Because that's the only thing that anybody can go off of when it comes to deciding, okay, well, how serious am I really going to take this? What has the company done? Well, here at Team Diamond, we put out here what we've calculated the profits to be from January 2021, which is the year that just passed, to December 2021, after taking all of their weekly performances, right? And then adding it up for the year and then dividing it by 12 months, we came up with 14.825%. That is what they averaged per month if you were with them for a whole year. Now, if that's not real profits, real results, real people, real company, I don't know what is. Matter of fact, let's take you a little deeper into how real our profits are. Ladies and gentlemen, January 28th, which was this past Friday, you got to see right here, just for document purposes, so you understand the time that we are in, for those of you that may be listening to this weeks or months down the line. We are now here. What's today's date? January 30th, Sunday, 2022. The crypto market, stock market, and everything, anybody and everybody's portfolio, if you're only holding stocks or holding crypto, is down 30 to 50%. Meanwhile, at NovaTech, because of their professional traders and technology expert advisors, we are still able, all right, to earn potential profits on a weekly basis. What did you average for the month of January? I don't know. Add those 4 up and divide it by 4, and that'll tell you. Maybe, I don't know, if I'm thinking in my head like 11.85, 11.9, something like that for the month, guys. Just under, I think, again, I'm doing this in my head, looks like about 3%, 2.9%. Again, that is awesome, being that it's potential, right? We don't know what we're going to earn because they don't have a crystal ball. They trade the markets, they invest our cryptocurrency however they do, and whatever they see fit based off of their results, we're able to earn. Let's keep it moving, guys. Why is NovaTech different? I've kind of already shared it with you, but let me break it down so you see it. 1, there's no expiration dates. 2, you can trade as long as you want. 3, no repurchase requirements. 4, you can cancel anytime. That one section right there, ladies and gentlemen, cancels out every other crypto opportunity that's out there. And I'm not going to name no names, but I'm telling you, because I'm in still a lot of them that are passive. All of those other platforms have every restriction I just told you Novatech does not. So no matter what some other platform says they can do, they boast they can do 10 times more or this or that. Documentation beats conversation. I want to know, how long are you going to be here? Not about what you can get me in the next 3 to 4 months, because guess what? That doesn't change my life. What changes my life is a platform being here 3 to 5 years from now, right? Number 2, 100% access to your capital. That's another no-brainer. No other platform you have 100% access to your capital at all times. Withdraw from your trading balance at any time. They don't hold your trading balance. It's yours. If you want it, take it all out, leave, come back, whatever you want to do, it's yours. Option to redeposit your profits. The company can't do it for you. That would be illegal. Okay. And there is no withdrawal limits. You can withdraw whatever you want, whether it's out of your trading balance or if you want to take your principal all out, it's yours. All right. And again, it doesn't matter the amount. It could be $1 million a month if that's what you're earning or if that's what you have, or per week. All right. No earning caps. 100% of your deposit is traded. Weekly profits paid on Fridays. All right. Again, no guarantees. I don't think there's ever been a week that they haven't paid a profit in almost 3 years. But again, if there is profit, which again, we've seen so far, we get paid those profits on Friday. All right. Or Friday. Sorry, not Friday. Friday. All right. Number 4, last but not least, this is an amazing company, guys. All right. They're not going to sit here and wow you and blow your mind and talk about you're going to flip your money every month. That's not happening here at NovaTech. All right. However, they are a crypto hedge fund that's registered in the US as well as a global opportunity. There is no recruiting required. Yes, we all have the potential to earn just as much as all of these network marketing, affiliated marketing, cryptocurrency, Forex, and all of these companies out there where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a week because they have tens of thousands of people. You could actually have the potential to earn that type of profit without sharing it with a soul. You can take that to the bank. You know why? Because we're living. Flexible enrollment packages. Let me break this down because, again, people just, I don't know what it is. They hear one thing and then they spit out something else. All right. First and foremost, you can fund your NovaTech account with 4 different cryptocurrencies. And it happens to be the 4 most liquid currencies out there, meaning they're there. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. All right. Any of those 4. All right. And by the way, you can receive your profits in 3 of them: Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. All right. Now, the packages. Ooh, let me break this down because I know I got some of y'all network marketers that might be on here saying, well, how is this legal? I already told you it was legal. Let's not go back that route. All right. Again, this is not for everybody, but let me break this down because you're going to say, well, I'm buying packages. No, you're not buying packages. What we're doing is we're breaking it down for you so you can figure out what lane that you want to come in. But if you notice, there is no difference whether you come in at $99 or $24,999. All right. It all goes into your trading account. All right. None of your deposit goes to paying people or anything like that. It's your trading balance that the company will trade for you. All right. All of these lanes, these categories, you will pay a $25 monthly maintenance fee. Here's the beauty. It doesn't come out of your bank account. It doesn't come out of your credit card or your debit card. It comes from your profits at the end of every 30 days. With these packages, okay, you can decide to redeposit or put more funds at any time. So if you start at the 99, but you know you want to be at the 500, just do it within the first 30 days. And the reason I say that is because the $25 maintenance fee, this goes back to the beginning of the presentation. Remember I was telling you, in Team Diamond, And if anybody has done it, you bad boy or girl, don't do it again. Nobody needs to join at $99. All right. We're here because we're adults, 18 to 80 or older, blind, crippled, or crazy, but we're adults. All right. We want to start with at least $250. Why? Because we want to make sure you have the best chance of not having to pay that $25 maintenance fee out of your pocket. And if we're averaging somewhere around 3% a week, you need to have at least $250 so that you can have some profits left over after they take their $25. All right. Again, this is adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. If that's too complicated, then again, I don't know what to say. $25,000 to $99,999. This is our VIP club. What does this mean? It's real simple. The company says, if you trust us enough, all right, to be one of our VIP clients, we're going to do a couple of great things for you. First, we're going to give you a 1% monthly cashback reward on whatever the company is able to generate you in profits at the end of 30 days. I'm going to say that again. All right. 1% cashback reward. It's like what you spend on your credit card, and the company gives you back a percentage of what you spend, not 1% of your balance of your trading account, 1% of what the company earns you on a monthly basis. And then the part that I love the most, because I hate paying fees. I don't care if I'm making $1 million a week. I don't want to pay $1, right? You don't pay no monthly fees if you're someone that's at 25,000 or higher. The President's Club. Shout out to all of our presidents. Matter of fact, shout out to all our VIPs and our President's Club. Those of you out there that trusted the person that shared this with you, trusted the company for the past performance and what they stand for. You are the ones that have literally said, hey, we're not here to play no games. All right. We came in at least 25,000 or at least 100,000. And at the $100,000 President's Club level, yeah, you can raise your hand, guys. If those of you that want to let people know that, yeah, this is real. And I did it. So you can do it if you got the funds to do it. Right. All right. So check this out. You are going to get a 2.5% monthly cashback reward on your ROI, meaning on whatever the company is able to earn you in profits monthly. All right. That's only at the 100K or higher. Same principle applies. They're also going to give you $1,000 one-time cash bonus. All right. For coming in at that $100,000 level. Really nice stuff, guys. The company doesn't have to do it. Remember, the company doesn't charge us. We don't pay an auto ship, right? There's no cost to come into the company. So the company can't really pay us anything from like a compensation standpoint, like a normal company, because they don't generate revenue that way. In traditional network marketing companies, you're paying several hundred or several $1,000s one time, and then paying several $100s a month for the upkeep. So that's where the compensation plan comes from. We're talking about strictly a passive profit opportunity, guys. That's what Novatech is all about. No monthly fees, of course, for all of our $100,000 President Club members. Dedicated support. Service is not available, guys, in Hawaii, Montana, Alaska, Texas, or South Carolina. All right. Don't ask me why. All I know is that there are certain rules in certain states that are different than other states. And the company at this moment in time chooses to not do business in those states. However, listen to me. Get back with the person that shared this with you so that they can explain a little more for you. Because I know you're hearing this and you're like, I'm excited, man. But how come I can't join this? Get back with that person and they'll give you more details. That being said, guys, everything that I shared with you today, the information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence. All right. And you agree that neither the company nor the presenters are liable for your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, services, reviewed, or advertised. All information contained herein should be independently verified and confirmed, all right, on your own, all right? The financial markets are risky, whether it's stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency, virtual crypto assets, altcoins, Forex, binary options, whatever it is, guys, all of this stuff comes with a level of risk, some higher than others. All you need to know in investing is do your homework, and most importantly, do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. As long as you don't do that, then nothing else really matters. All the noise out there, all of the TMZ garbage internet posts that always talk about companies being frauds when a lot of them are not, it doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, we take risk in life all day, every day. And a lot of times we lose in those risks that we take, but it doesn't really affect us. Why? Because we risk what we can afford to part with. Same exact thing here, guys. All users must be 18 years of age or older. With that being said, guys, your future, freedom, and dreams start right now. Get back with that person that shared this with you. And before I do that, I want to go ahead and bring up our amazing co-founder and leader of Team Diamond, Miss Corey J, who's going to close us out. Are you there, Miss Corey J?
Oh, you know I'm here, Young King. Absolutely, absolutely I am. My goodness, my eyes have been glued to this screen ever since you started speaking. Amazing presentation. Thank you so much, Dap. We appreciate you and everything that you do for this entire team. You bless us every time you speak and you share your gifts and your talents. So God bless you, Young King, for all that you do. So we look forward to working with each and every one of you. We're excited for you. I tell you what, we are definitely excited for ourselves and for our team.